Welcome to the most effective and high-quality evergreen Facebook Live marketing video training. We are so excited to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. This is a complete and high-quality video training, which will surely help you to learn exactly what you need to know about Facebook Live marketing, and why it is the easiest way ever for you to make some great money over the web by using effective Facebook Live marketing. Let's start now step by step. These video tutorials are overflowing with strategies, resources and best practices that will radically improve the way your business uses Facebook Live to connect with your market and grow your brand. Video number 1. Facebook Live Marketing HD Video Training. Let's unfold the modules. Video number 2. Facebook Live, an overview. Video number 3. Why is Facebook Live big deal for marketers? Video number 4. Facebook Live predictions for 2017. Video number 5. Getting started, developing a Facebook Live plan. Video number 6. How to use Facebook Live. Video number 7. Best practices for using Facebook Live for marketing. Video number 8. How to increase your Facebook Live video reach. Video number 9. Using Facebook Live for your YouTube channel. Video number 10. Ideas for creating appealing Facebook Live content. Video number 11. How can brands grow with Facebook Live? Video number 12. Monetizing Facebook Live, getting started with ad breaks. Video number 13. Tools Guide to creating engaging Facebook Live broadcasts. Video number 14. How to repurpose Facebook Live videos for marketing. Video number 15. Top 5 Facebook Live metrics that marketers need to know. Explore the tools and tips shared in these expert training videos, which are simple yet sophisticated enough to take your Facebook Live marketing strategy to the next level, no matter where you're starting from.